Now, if you can see on the screen, whenever an incident ray strikes any plane surface, suppose let us consider that is to be mirror. Whenever it strikes the mirror, a normal is drawn first on the plane of on the surface of the mirror, that is on the horizontal surface, which is normal means it should be perpendicular to that surface, to the reflecting surface. Now, the reflected ray bounces back in the same medium. Okay. Now, the first law says that the incident ray, the ray which is coming from an object, that is known as incident ray, the reflected ray, the ray which is getting reflected back, and the normal which is perpendicular to the reflecting surface are on the same plane. Second law is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle I is equal to angle R. In any reflecting surface, these two angles has to be equal. Suppose angle I is equals to 20 degree. Therefore, angle of reflection also has to be 20